This is Irontrader. This is the last call of the day, so we're going to take a look here at crude oil and at natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted, along with the EIA report for natural gas and crude oil. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy any stock commodity ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, we can see here today, we actually put in a lower high and a lower low. Yesterday, we had that 68.82, which was basically, we were looking at the support level right here at, what are we looking at here? Yeah, right here. We're looking at 68.80. So we came in within 2 cents of that. And then today we put in just a little bit lower than that at 68.75. Okay, so this is not doing good here because now you've got that series of lower highs and lower lows, and now we even have a same thing here again. So I'm short with this here, and I can scalp the longs, but right now I don't see any reason here to be long with what's going on here. Now, the EIA report came out, and you had a big draw in the crude oil today of 6.7 million barrels. But it didn't seem to mean nothing. So always remember one thing on any kind of information, news, okay, stocks, anything, whatever it is, okay, it comes out. Always don't worry about the news, but what you worry about is the reaction to it. That's the key. And look what happened here. Big draw, didn't mean absolutely nothing, fell right off here. Okay, so now what we're looking for here, we're looking for your next level, is you're going to look at for 67.71. That's going to be your next level. It probably might even hit it tomorrow. Then what we're going to do is we're going to look at this level here. You're looking at 66.80. And then we'll come over here to the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 65.38. And then we can have all the way down here, 64.36. And then here's your big retest at 63.64 level right there. Okay, so again, we got a ways that we can go because right now you're sitting at 69.18. So we could fall quite a ways yet here on the old crude. Now here, RSI, well, not really telling us that could go a lot lower. The green over the red, that's never looking good. That's always bearish, shows momentum right to the downside. Big MACD, same thing going on here. And the RSI here, there's nothing bullish. Zero bullishness here, zero bullishness here. Look at this 8-8. Look at a 21-day. Look at a 50. Look at a hundo. Everything is rolling over now. Your green, your 50-day cross below your red, never good, okay? 21s right down. These are all just nothing but waterfall down. Shows that this crude is going lower. Now remember that the OPEC meeting is going to be here on October 2nd. It's not going to mean anything realistically because seasonality here is already going to be in play. Summer driving pretty much ended there on Memorial Day. There was nothing much of a disruption for hurricane season, which carries to the end of September. So I'm short. Usually I don't get short here till end of September. Usually the first week of October, carried on into December. But I don't see any reason here of being long. You can scalp it, for daily trades. But other than that, I don't see anything here. Now, OPEC wants to have them voluntary cuts, and they already had 8 people already agreed to it that says, okay, we're not going to add any more oil. We'll just keep those voluntary cuts on. It's not going to make any difference. Crude is just going to go lower no matter how you look at it. You got the wrong time of the year, and no matter what they come up with there, it's not going to make any kind of a difference. So bottom line here, the next level I'm looking for here is going to be your 67.71, and then I'm going to be looking here for your 65.38. We're going to be looking here for that 64.36. But this is really what we're going to looking for here, 63.64. If that 67.71 there is lost, that's going to be your next big target. Once we get down to that area, then I'll bring up a different chart for you and see how low we can go. But you probably can go right down to the 50s there. Very, very easy. It just nothing looking good here. Of course, this was a tail. So let's say when you look at these charts, you see the double top situation, the series of lower highs all the way down. See, double top, double top, double top. Can't get through. Where's she going to go? Right to the bottom. So I'm short. SCO, that's what I'm long in. I got 5,000 shares. Sticking with it. Been long, been short, all the way from this area here. So, that's the trade that I got going on here. Now, again, you can scalp this thing long. Like for day trades, you could have made a little bit there today. But realistically, not really anything that you want to hold, I should say. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, I'm going to go long. This is going to reverse and it's going higher. Can't see it. Okay. Nothing. You got to get this price way above this 8-day, which is way off. Now, when those futures open at 6 tonight, this 8-day is going to be lower. This 21-day is going to be lower. It's going to open up tomorrow morning. That 50-day is going to cross that 200-day real clear, and this is going to get way, way lower. Okay, let's take a look here. Natural gas. Okay, natty gas daily chart all stretched right on out here. Now you can see this is a couple months ago previous contract roll, gapped right on up, boom, nicely above the 8-day. Look at that bad boy rallied all the way up nicely. Okay, now what do we have here? Another contract roll, gapped up right up here, very, very nicely. Now you notice that here when it does sell off, like this candle here, you're holding that 8-day, okay, and you went into the 50-day. Yesterday she held the 21-day, but where'd you go? Right into the 200-day. Okay, so that's what you're trading. Look at these. These are key levels here. Okay, this here is your 8 simple moving average, your 21-day simple moving average, your 50-day simple moving average, your 100-day, and then your 200-day is your red. Okay, so those are what you're trading right now. So this morning video, if you watched it this morning, which I know you did, I said basically what you want to watch first thing is this at 21-day. Very, very key. If that's lost, you'll come down here to the 8-day. And where did it go? Right down to the 8-day, up above the 21-day. And then when we had that EIA report, you went above that 50-day. And I said, watch that report because you only had a build of 13 billion cubic feet versus the 20-some that they projected, okay? And that, where did you go? Right into that 200 SMA here. See, this is why you want to trade the charts because you know where it's going to go. When we were down here, I told you, if you can get above this, you're going to go here, and you're going to go there, and then we're going to go to the next level. That's just how it works. That's how you trade the charts. So today, we had a nice run right in here up to the 200-day. Now you say, notice that it's closed below that. Right now, natural gas is sitting right at 2.259, just a hair below that 200-day. Now again, tomorrow we have to see what's going to happen. You can blast above that. Then here's what you're looking at is that 2.299, which is pretty much here where that price channel is at 2.30. That's going to be your big target. We close above this bad boy at 2.30, then here we go. This is what we got to look at right here, okay? So you got 2.35 level. You got 2.38. We're going to come up to here at roughly 2.45. And then we're going to take all the way up here, okay? You got 2.48. And then we're going to start looking all the way down here. So you have that 2.59 at the bottom. And then you have 2.60. And then we just start rallying up here. Then we start bringing these price channels here right across. What do you got? 2.73, bring it right across. What do we have? 2.95, and then look at here, all the way up here until we get to that top at 3.159. Okay, so a lot of ways to go. RSI here looking very good, only sitting at 56. You got a long way to go. Look at here, went all the way up here, past that 70 mark. Very, very nice. Now you look at your MACD, green over your red, shows it very, very bullish, but you're at the bottom side of this. See, we're not here. Okay, on the top, we are bottom here. Okay, so that gives you plenty of room to carry that run all the way up here, just like it did here. See, we're on the bottom rung here, below that medium line, and then look where it had all the way on run here, and then look what happened here. Okay, so right now I am trading 5,000 shares of UNG, and I'm holding 5,000 shares of UMG from way back here because this is seasonality is in play. Now, normally, like natural gas, I don't hold it overnight, but when it comes to seasonality, yes, I do. So what I am long natural gas and I'm short crude oil. Okay, that's my trade going now. So here, what we want to watch here? Watching futures when you open tonight at 6. So you always want to watch the high 2.286, and you want to watch that low at 2.11. Always watch that candlestick. Very, very key. Now, on the upside, we can crack through. This is your target. 2.30, you got to get above that and close above it. Not just pop above it, but close above it. Downside, watch that 50-day. Okay, you're sitting at 2.19, very, very key. Then watch that 21-day, 2.139, and then watch that 8 SMA here at 2.10. These are your key support levels, your 50, your 21-day, and your 8-day. Now you can see this 8-day. See how nice it's curling up here? Okay, I've been pointing out this wedge. See how that 50 days going down, 21 days going up, 8 days going up. That crosses over, it's going to send this price much, much higher here on the old natty gas. Okay, so we get any kind of a weather, any kind of disruption, any kind of a signal going forward here, natural gas is going to go much, much higher. Okay, that's what I got for you. I'll be back here tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we will do it all over again. And remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.